still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Hello.
Morning.
We are currently in Canada at the Buffalo Mountain Lodge.
We are.
And we thought
it's very cold.
It's so nice. We thought we'd give you a little room tour of our little cabin.
Let's do it.
So we're in 1101 and as though we've prepared it.
Come on in.
Okay, so it's freezing outside. As soon as you come in,
it's lovely and warm. It's so warm and it's lovely.
You've got a little mat here, which is handy because this is all tile.
Yes.
It's heated, I think, all the way
Definitely
through
in the
to the
bathroom.
bathroom.
Not sure about in here.
Yeah. So we've got some hooks here.
Yeah.
A luggage holder. We've just put our shoes down there. We arrived late last night.
We just chucked it through. So we
Yeah.
have lived in it for a couple of hours, so there's stuff everywhere.
There's a little shelf up there. I've put cats and scarves on there. I don't know what's supposed to go on there, but
No, whatever. Yeah. And then you've got like a cupboard.
this is your only real hanging space.
Yeah.
We've got an ironing board, a regular kettle. John's put his suits in there. We did get 2 fluffy robes in there,
Lovely.
which are nice. They are Mountain Lodge branded, so that's nice.
Lovely.
We put one of our cases down there and
Just
some
get
more
out of the way,
shoes.
yeah.
And that's a fan. We will not
We
be
will
needing
not
that.
be needing that, yeah.
You would think this was a wardrobe.
It's not.
It's got the TV in there.
Has a couple of drawers.
And
Safe.
a safe. We haven't used the TV yet. Obviously, we've been storing things and those are drawers. And then, don't look at that.
Yeah.
There's not a ton of storage in here.
There's not. But we managed.
Yeah.
That's fine, yeah.
I guess we'll do the outside of the room.
Okay.
We've got this lovely little seating area.
Yeah.
Right back up. These look nice and comfy.
Amazing. You've got a fire. You've got firewood outside that you can go and help yourself to and set fire when you need to.
Yeah.
We were going to do it last night, but it was so warm and as well as you went to bed.
Yeah.
So we might set a fire tonight.
Maybe.
And enjoy it.
We've got a fridge. It is a fairly big fridge. I don't know if it's got a freezer in it actually.
I don't think so. No.
It does not. It's a Basil snacks.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's still a fridge nonetheless. Oh, there's some wood there as well, look.
Oh yeah. Yeah. But yeah, there's some outside that you can just help yourself to.
And there's a little glass table there.
Yeah, a little dressing area, and you can use a working station for that stuff and that.
A little Nespresso machine that I figured out how to use this morning, and I love the coffee cups.
Coffee was amazing.
Was it good?
Really good, yeah.
Okay, we've got the mirror.
And obviously your bed, like I said, has been set for last night. Super comfortable.
Yeah, it was. This room came with 2. I think they're probably like queens, maybe kings.
I think so, yeah.
But super comfy.
So nice.
No table this side or plug or anything, so we've had our stuff in the middle.
That's okay. You just annoy the
It is
person
what
outside.
it is. Yeah. I mean, to be honest, last night I plugged in, I was out. So, bathroom or view? Oh.
Well, obviously we just know a bed, but we're just using it as storage cases for now. And
I
then,
guess view first and then bathroom.
Yeah.
We didn't get to see this last night.
No, not in daylight. No. And then, and also.
Oh wow. Look at that.
How awesome is that? With a nice little sitting area.
Yeah, so we've got a table. There was just a little birdie in there.
Most of them come with a patio or
Or
balcony.
a balcony. That one there's got a balcony. Look.
Yeah.
But we're on the ground floor,
lovely.
so. They've got cushions in there, look.
Oh yeah. Sunset or sunrise would be amazing.
It will. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
well you
nice.
saw that with us first time.
In daylight.
In daylight. Let's head back in. Sorry. And to the bathroom, which I was super pleasantly surprised by. Oh, each of the bathroom and this room have got, I assume this is the thermostat.
Thermostat, yeah.
Yeah, like we said, heated floor all the way through to this massive roll top tub and a shower. Just making it a room in here. So heated floor all the way through. You've got the roll top there. A lovely shower, can confirm, very nice.
Gorgeous shower, yes.
They're using, actually, let me show you because I was really impressed. The products are so nice. We've used the shampoo and shower gel, but I don't know how to say that. I feel like it's L'Occitane.
It is nice.
But it was very
It's
nice.
lovely, yeah.
Yeah.
And then obviously a mirror.
The mirror.
Obviously.
Another little table. I'm definitely going to be having a bath at some point this week.
Honestly, it's so nice. So nice. It'd be perfect for a week and kind of.
Yeah, it was so comfy. The bed was super duper comfy, so we slept. I mean, I think we would have slept well anyway. But
no, it was so nice.
Yeah,
I'm well impressed. And the view was out there, and the fire is what makes this room, I think.
yeah, so we hope you enjoyed this room tour. If you're planning on staying here, this is
Absolutely.
what our room looked like.
It's amazing. We love it. Yes.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notication, and we'll see you in the next
Absolutely.
one.
Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.